Hello friends, subscribe my channel Q-Card. Talk about something you could like to get replaced. What is it? Why do you want to get it replaced? How you got it? Where it is? Let's start. Today era is consumerist one. We see new things all around us. There are new model of the cell phone, TV, bikes, car, and so on. But I see this new thing, I wish to get them. Unfortunately, I am not earning yet, and so I have to restrain myself. Here, I would like to talk about something which I want to replace very soon, and that is my cell phone. I have a very basic model of cell phone, but all the friends have smartphone. My parents have flatly refused to buy me one because they are saving for my education abroad. They are spending very frugally for some I shake, and so I cannot pester them to buy me one. I have started saving all my pocket money so that I can buy a reasonable price smartphone. I visited a local mobile phone store. There I saw a Redmi phone for 7,000. It has 7-inch screen, 3 GB RAM, 32 GB memory and many inbuilt applications. I have read some reviews on the net. Redmi is the best value low range phone in the market. It has Android technology. It will get about 2000 for my old phone. I think within a month or two I will be able to replace my old phone with the new one.